In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your phone contacts on Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful, especially if you're trying to secure a backup of your essential contacts or need to access them from different devices. Whether you're tech savvy or a bit of a novice, don't worry, the process is straightforward and accessible, so let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive's homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com in your address bar. If you haven't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so before proceeding. Once you're in, take a moment to admire the familiar interface of Google Drive. This is your main hub for files, and it's also the gateway to accessing your synced contacts. Now direct your attention to the right side of your web browser. Here you'll find a vertical sidebar filled with icons, each representing a different Google app experience. From Calendar to Keep, each serves a unique function. But our focus today is on locating your contacts. So go ahead and click on the contact icon located in this sidebar. It usually looks like a little person or a group of people. By clicking this icon, you'll launch Google Contacts, where all your contact information is stored in the cloud. Once Google Contacts opens, you will see a detailed list of all the contacts saved on your Google account. These include the ones synced from your phone, providing a comprehensive backup solution. From here you can browse through your contacts, add new ones, or even edit the information for existing entries. If you want to ensure everything is up to date, you can use the sync feature, which is typically enabled by default on most smartphones connected to your Google account. Just remember, any changes you make here will reflect across all devices linked to your account. For those of you wondering about the security and privacy of your contacts, rest assured that Google applies stringent measures to protect your data. However, it's always recommended to revisit your account's privacy settings periodically to ensure everything aligns with your personal preferences. And that's it. With just these simple steps, you've successfully accessed your phone contacts through Google Drive. This method ensures you can easily reach your contacts at any time, from anywhere, and it also adds an extra layer of security by having them stored in the cloud. I hope you found this video helpful and that you feel more confident managing your contact information across your devices. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.